Welcome back, folks. Doing a little 3 at 3 action from the airport. Here's what's going on in 3 at 3 unusual activity today, the 20th of May. Our disclaimer is that all investments involve risk and intellectual property rights. Yes, we have registered marks, trademarks, copyrights, and so on. Please ask us before you reproduce this. This from yesterday, of course. Bitcoin's 40% crash does feel like a capitulation. Indeed, that has played out as, for instance, we have bought a number of those crypto assets, and many of them up between 17 and 30% today. Bang. But it's always easy to say that you're going to buy the dip. Sometimes not so easy to actually do it. So just kind of passing that along. There is our YouTube channel. Over 18,000 people have subscribed now. Thank you, each and every one of you. You can subscribe if you haven't already, folks, by going to youtube.com and then in the search bar on YouTube, type Market Rebellion, and you'll be a subscriber. Thank you. FCX, just wanted to point this one out because it kind of points to sometimes how you have to be sort of quick. I'm not saying this was a home run. It was not. But they were buying 13,000 of the July 36 puts. Stock was 41. Here you see the stock trading all the way down just after the open to break $40 to $39.87. In other words, about a $1 gain. And then it started working its way back up. That's why it's really important when I say I'm doing one option against every option that I buy. I'm selling an option against the 41 puts that I was buying. Sorry about the sound. But against the 41 puts that I bought, I sold the 37 puts against them 1-to-1. So today's move works out just fine. DraftKings, take a look at this one because we've had it a bunch of times and it has often been very correct. Look at DraftKings today, 42.62, 5,500 of the end of May, 45 calls. There you see the stock moving up today to a high of 44.63. Bang. MarketRebellion.com/UOA is what you need to check out. And SE is the first one I'm going to pass on to you today. SE, bullish call buying with the stock at 240-ish. They were buying the 4th of June expiration, 265 calls. Here is that as the, again, I'm sorry about the sound, but the that stock C Limited moving $15 higher during the day today. Bang. Daily crypto bite. MarketRebellion.com/try crypto. Check it out. It's $1 for your first month. Questions? Yeah, if you've got questions, we've got answers. At Jon Najarian on Twitter is how you ask them. SLB, that's Schlumberger, CCIV. Sumit was asking if we had any unusual activity in either. No, we do not. Last time we had anything in either was in the beginning of April. Higher. Anthony says, hey, John, I bought some higher on the dip today. Thanks again for the play. Thank you, Anthony. Glad it's working out for you. Always appreciate that and happy to give you guys a shout as well. XLF, thoughts on XLF, Sep 30th, 40 calls. I feel the banks will perform well. I do think so too. And I think that rates move higher and that's the main driver here. So I would buy those. And WDC and AAL cut ties. As soon as I get to a 50% drop in my spread, I do cut ties. So I'm sorry if either of these trades are not working out, but at a 50% drop in the spread, I will cut and run. So that's kind of it for today, folks. Go to marketrebellion.com/get started for more. I would broadcast from the air if I could, but internet isn't always so great. So I'll see you soon, and I thank you for tuning in.